Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you obviously know my name's Amber. Today I'll be showing you how to make this neon pigmented beautiful look. It took me a while. I'm a tad under the influence of alcohol, but I did it, didn't I? See, look at that. It looks amazing. If you want to know how to do it, then just keep on watching. First I'm going to be using this Primed and Ready by Collection. First I'm going to be taking this very light orange from this Morphe 5B palette. Next I'm going to be taking the OMG Cosmetics in orange. Next, I'm going to be taking the Dermacol concealer to cut my half crease thing. And now that my creases have been cut off, I'm going to go in with this darker orange. I don't know what it is. Next, I'm going to take in this green from the OMG Neon Pigments. I need my eyes. I need them. Now I'm going in with the Juvias Place Mini Masquerade palette, and I'm going for the Giza. Next I'm going to be using the Captain Eyeliner. So I have found that the Captain just chips away if you try and even blend any type of black or any type of eyeshadow over it, which is not great, but it only cost me £2, so who the hell am I to complain? Where the heck is my highlighter, dude? Might as well go straight to the foundation, man. Next I'm using the Define and Conquer 17 for my contour. Now I'm going to be sticking these face gems onto my face. I got them from Home Bargains actually. They cost me £1. I got a lot more styles. You'll be able to see them on my Instagram because I'll be wearing them all for Glatsonbury. Okay. Oh shit, that bit's folded under, that's why it's gotten all crazy and shit, man. No! I have broken it. Oh my god, my head's in the way. Okay, so today we're doing an asymmetrical look because this shit decided to stick like a bitch. I don't even care. Where the hell are my eyes at? Why the hell did I not stick this on with my glasses on? Logic. 0. Why? Now I'm going to be taking this Hallucinate fixing glitter stuff. It looks gross, that's why I'm not showing y'all it. This glitter is Rose and Sparkle Hallucination? Hallucinogenic? I don't know. I'm just guessing. But it's something to do with hallucination. Now I'm going to be taking the Smolder Cosmetics highlighter loose Glam dust in Moonstone. These eye candy lashes on, and we have liftoff. They are orange on the edges. I'm pretty sure it's UV. I can't tell yet. When I get them on and get the blue light on, we'll know. So when you see me next, I'll be all finished. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram. My name is 8 Years Average. I post more looks on there and you'll probably see more neon looks for when I go to Glastonbury. Probably not as intricate as this one, but you know how it is when you go to a festival. You got drunk the day before, you're hungover, you just can't be arsed. So you might see some more of me. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, everybody, and goodbye.